Hi everyone, my name is Nick and today I'm going to show you how to create JavaScript file in Visual Studio Code. So it's very easy, but firstly let's create a new folder for our new project. To do it, right click, select new and folder, and let's name it, for example, like new app, I don't know. Let's open up Visual Studio Code. And now click File in the upper left corner of the screen and select Open Folder. Now let's select our folder, New App. Now you can click on this icon, New File, name your file, for example app.js, and click Enter. So as you can see, our file has created. Also right here we can create a CSS file or other files. So guys, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much, bye.